This is the mAh Powerbank 3i, the latest power bank from Xiaomi. They have launched two different models of the Powerbank 3i. This one is having 20,000 mAh capacity, whereas the other one has 10,000 mAh battery capacity. It supports 18 watts fast charging as well via PD, that means USB power delivery. And it has advanced 12-layer chip protection as well for the protection of this power bank and the devices you are going to charge with this. And guys, sorry for any background noise, my neighbor is getting some construction work done. I have used the mAh Powerbank 2i 10,000 mAh and I made a review as well, which you can find on this channel. So in this video we will see everything about this power bank. We will unbox and review this power bank from Xiaomi. So keep watching till the end. Hello everybody, this is Arijit. Let's take it easy. So first of all, let's unbox this power bank. 20,000 mAh is huge, though nowadays phones are having like minimum 5,000 mAh, but still 20,000 mAh is huge. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and get subscribed. It's free. Hit the bell icon to stay notified for the future videos and updates. So this is some kind of user manual or something like that. There's nothing else inside the box, and this is the power bank. Let's get it out of the box. This is the power bank, and we also have a flat USB Type-C cable, which is a good thing. It's a short cable, but at least they have given a cable. Let's get it out of the plastic wrapping. So as you can see, this is the power bank. There is a mAh branding at front and there is nothing at the back side. At the right side, you can find the power button. There is nothing at the left side. At the bottom, you will find some information like the capacity and the voltage and the amount of current for input and output. And of course, at the top, you will find two full-sized USB ports. And this is a micro USB port, and this is the USB Type-C port. These are for LED indicators. If you press the power button once, as you can see, it shows the amount of charge left in this power bank. This one is made in India, as you can see, made in India, and you can use this security code here. If you scratch this part, you will get a security code, and there is a URL mentioned here as well. You can verify the authenticity of this power bank. You can verify whether it is an original or a fake product. By the way, the links I have mentioned in the description and in the pinned comment for both the 20,000 and the 10,000 mAh power banks are from genuine sources, so you don't have to worry about the product's authenticity. The mAh Powerbank 2i 10,000 mAh I reviewed earlier. I don't have that with me right now. If you compare, the thickness is double, the height and the width is almost the same. The capacity is double, but I don't think the weight is double. Maybe it is close, but I don't think the weight is double. I thought it would be even heavier than this, but it is not, because they have used plastic for the construction of this shell or the body. As you can see, it has a nice matte texture on it, which feels nice, and it will provide you a good grip of the power bank. However, because of the thickness, it is not the most pocket-friendly power bank. The 2i 10,000 mAh, which I reviewed earlier, used metal for the construction of the shell or the body, but in this case it is plastic, which is not a bad thing necessarily. So in terms of build quality, it is good, maybe not the best. The 10,000 mAh power bank has a better build quality, but it is not bad. The plastic body makes it lightweight. Compared to the metal body, it has a better grip. But overall, the build quality is a little better for the 10,000 mAh power bank. But if you need 20,000 mAh, this is the one for you. I don't have the mAh 10,000 mAh power bank, but I have a special thing with me. this one. This is the first power bank released by Xiaomi in India at least. This is a 5000 mAh power bank. Okay, to be precise, this is a 5200 mAh power bank. I don't think you can see it on camera. If you want to compare the size, as you can see, the thickness is almost similar, maybe not similar, it is a little bit thicker. Okay, so 20,000 mAh versus 5000 almost. So 4 times the capacity, but it is not 4 times in terms of size, in terms of height and width. It is not 4 times larger. So as you can see, it can receive fast charge up to 18 watts with both the USB ports, the Type-C and the micro USB port. And of course, you have to use a compatible charger or adapter for that. And it can fast charge other devices as well up to 18 watts, as you can see, with both the USB ports, the full-sized USB ports and the Type-C port as well. So with these 3 ports you can charge 3 devices at once. With these USB ports you can either use a USB to Type-C or a USB to micro USB cable as you wish. And with the Type-C port, you would normally use a Type-C to Type-C cable. And if you use this kind of USB Type-C hub, which has a USB Type-C port at one end, and at the other end it has 4 full-sized USB ports, you can charge up to 4 devices just from this USB Type-C port and 2 more devices from the full-sized USB ports. So total 6 devices you can charge at once, and maybe you can hook up other full-sized USB hubs and charge even more devices. But the total power output combining all those 3 ports is limited to 18 watts. As you can see, 5 volt and 3.6 amps means 18 watts. If you double tap this button, the device will enter low powered charging mode. That means in this mode you can charge devices that need very less power, like fitness bands, smartwatches, etc. So you can charge this power bank via the micro USB port or the Type-C port. If you use a fast charger, it can take up to 6 to 7 hours to charge it from 0 to 100%. The MRP mentioned on the box is 2199 rupees, which is almost $30 but it is available for 1500 rupees, which is I think $20 almost as of now. So if you want to buy it or just check it out, the link will be down there in the description and in the pinned comment. So check that out. So guys, if you like the video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, get subscribed, it's free. Hit the red subscribe button down there or the round channel logo on screen, then click on subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell icon as well to receive updates and notifications of our future videos. If you have any queries or suggestions, please drop a comment. If you love the kind of work we are doing here, please go ahead and share this video with your friends and family. Like always, I welcome any support from your end. So guys, thank you, and that's it for this video. Have a great time and I will see you in the next video.